If you really want to learn how to avoid importation scam on 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video, because in this video I'm going to share a relevant easy tips for beginners that want to import from China using 1688. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome my friends. So someone on this channel actually reached out to me about a scam case, and I'm going to use it as an example so everyone can learn from this particular case study. I'm going to put the message on the screen of this video right here so everyone can see. So what this person tried to say here in this message is that I made a payment to a supplier on WeChat and my goods has not been sent to my warehouse. My warehouse called them and they are no longer picking their call. One of my suppliers chatted them too, but no response. So this is the question, and this is where this person got it from. So I'm going to narrate everything to you, and I will take you to this particular supplier sales page. Then you understand more better about how you can protect yourself when you are trying to procure ship from China using 1688. So let's begin. Welcome back, friends. So this is the message right here, and my first question from this particular person here was that how long have you sent the money to the seller on WeChat? Okay, then how do you connect with the seller before you send money to them on WeChat? These are basic questions I asked from this particular person, and these are what they sent to me. And believe me, this person here was actually got scammed of 340 yuan. Okay, now this is the supplier sales page. When I asked this particular person here to send me their sales page on 1688. So I'm going to click on this 1688. Then you see how to identify this type of seller on 1688. Okay. Alright, from the seller sales page here, so you can see this is the type of shoe they claim that they sell, but of which they send another thing entirely, or they scam you your hard-earned money by not sending you anything. So you have to be very much careful about all these type of supplier. Now the first red flag you need to take into consideration is this: by the time you see any sales page or any sub that are into this type of particular product, you will see that their MOQ is always massive. Okay, and the second red flag you need to take into consideration, they will offer a cheap, ridiculous price. So this is the price they offer for a pair of this shoe as at the times of making this video. They will always claim that the original price is 11 yuan and the promo price is 6.33 yuan. This is blatant fake, and then you need to be very much careful when you see a supplier like this. So let's quickly scroll down and see other thing. Now from the point view right here, you see that this particular store here, they have sold in the past and they have 8 feedback from the people that purchased from them in the past. This is the 8th feedback right here. Now what I'm going to do next is to make sure I click on the 100% right here. So we have it this way. Now if you take a look at some of these people that review this store right here, you see that they are different users. Like this one here is a foreign user, and this one here is a Chinese user. Okay, so by the time I scroll down, and then we see another one, this is another user, foreign user, this is Chinese, and this is Chinese user. So let's scroll down and see more. And if you take a look at the quantity they purchase here, they are massive quantity, like 280 pieces. This one here bought 400 pieces, this one here bought 100 pieces, etc. Then if you take a look at what they have to say here, it's not the same thing. So these are the tips that you need to take into consideration. Now the review here is very much good. Even there is one of them here that even upload the picture of the item of the goods that was delivered to them, just like what you see on the screen right here. But nevertheless, all this does not justify that you will not be scammed. Okay, now the reason why this particular person got scammed by this store is that they failed to make payment on 1688. So when you send payment to supplier account out of 1688, there is no guarantee for you whether you will get the item or you will not get the item. So this is one of the mistakes people made when they are trying to procure and ship from China using 1688. So if you have a very good review from a sales page, just like what we have right here, it is now your responsibility to place the order on 1688 right here and make payment directly with your Alipay. Another tips I would like to share with you here is that if you want to patronize this type of supplier, make sure that you communicate with your shipping company. Let them be sure that they will help you to check whatever they want to deliver, because some of these 100 in one, some of these 1,000 pieces in one store like this, they always pack leftover items, something that is not really worth what you pay for. If you look at some of the pictures here, they are quality and they are very new items. But if you are a foreigner, don't be surprised that they will send you a thrift item. This is because they know that you are not in China, and they believe that most of foreign buyers, they do not have somebody that will help them to check the quality of the item. So if you are buying from this type of supplier, make sure you do your best findings, just like checking the review and checking what people have to say about them in the past. Then the second tip you need to take into consideration is that do not send money to any supplier account, whether on Alipay to Alipay or WeChat Pay. It is not safe, it is not guaranteed. But if you want to do your proper business transaction, place your order right on 1688, add the item to cart and purchase straight on. So let's quickly scroll down and see more pictures right here. So all these pictures here did not guarantee you are getting what this type of store upload. So you have to be very much careful. So do not send money, like I always said, do not send money to any Chinese bank account. Do not send money to any supplier that you cannot trust, because some of these suppliers here, they always take advantage of foreign buyers because they know you are not in China and you can never come because of this type of stuff into China from whatever country you have. So this is very much important. When you want to make a purchase, always place order direct on 1688 and make payment with your Alipay. Even if you have issue from the type of supplier, when they send the item to you and the item did not meet the quality standard of what you expect, you can easily ask for a refund and you will definitely get your money back with the assistance of customer support buyer on 1688. This is because you have been making payment, you have made payment with your Alipay, and Alipay payment on 1688 has a maximum security protection between the buyer and the seller. So this is what I have for you on how you can avoid importation scam on 1688 China importation shopping app, and easy tips for every importer. What you need to take into consideration when you are trying to purchase: do not send money to Chinese supplier, whether on Alipay or WeChat Pay. It is not secure. Make your payment directly with Alipay on 1688. In case of issue like this, you will definitely get your money back. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.